circle. I write from here to here. So he can go in different ways. So I'm just putting his. So he can either go this way, this there, or he is this way. Here he has to go in line linear motion. This is what I am saying. So what is the meaning of motion in straight line? Suppose कि let x be the distance. Okay, distance the the start be continuous. Okay, in time t. Okay, and suppose O is the fixed point. Okay, suppose O is fixed point. And suppose this is O, this is x, this is the body, and body is moving this direction. Then we can use what we can write is this d to x upon dt square, isn't it? So this is f. What is this? This is the second derivative of this is your second derivative of velocity of dx by dt. Dx by dt is what? V. Okay, just forget this. So just forget what I just rewriting is this is d to dx by dt. This is equation first. See, this is equation first. So we have written an example. So if we integrate this, if we integrate this equation, what we get? Then we will get v as a d by dx by dt equal to ft plus constant, because on one integration we will get one constant. If we reintegrate, then we will get another constant, like that. So this is what equation b. Okay, now suppose this is equation 2. Okay, now what we will do, our main motive is what, this c is कहाँ पे, यहाँ पे था, this is your c, ये तो what will c पे हम कोई कंडीशन लगाएंगे, c is an arbitrary constant. Okay, arbitrary constant. Okay, the constant can be determined if we know the initial condition. Okay, now focus is your initial condition. So at suppose let t equal to 0 point, have velocity v equal to say u. Okay, this is your initial velocity. Then u equal to 0 plus c. If we will put equation here, so this is ft plus c. Here at ft we will write something u at its constant g. So then this equation, say third equation will imply what? It will imply is equal to initially u. So what we'll get here, dx by dt, if we will put this in equation first, what we will get, dx by dt equal to u then f plus t. If suppose this equation number 4. Okay, so what we have, equation first divided second, this is equation third, this is 4. Even you can't write because this is the equation. So instead of naming this equation 3, we will just this equation for c, this equation would be 3. Okay, this equation will be 3. So for simplicity I will write it here. So what new thing is this, कि if we now we have equation, this equation dx by dt equal to u plus ft, and f I have assume in equation first टिल, या करो इक्वेशन नंबर 1, मुझे मैंने यही माना था कि स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर. सो दिस इक्वेशन इक्वेशन 1, दिस इक्वेशन 1 यहाँ पे हमने माना है, दिस इक्वेशन योर इक्वेशन फर्स्ट। सो यहाँ पे डेरिवेटिव u प्लस एफ टी हो गया। नाउ इफ वी रीइंटीग्रेट इट, what will we find? If we reintegrate it, then we will get x equal to some say u here, and f and t square by 2, and another constant is c1। और ये 12th लेवल का है, तो यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दिस कि कैसे आएगा। सो दिस इज अ सिंपली इंटीग्रेशन, और I have integrated equation dx by dt equal to with respect to t. So always write with respect to t, wrt to t, okay? Because in whole dynamics we will do a lot of things with respect to t, so it is a assume, always presume that with respect to t, unless until I have to, if we will write if we integrate with x or y or z, then we will specify, okay? Now initially, now then we will also use the initial condition. So what you will get from solving this equal to ut plus half of ft square. So this is dx by dt square, d2x by dt square equal to dv upon dt equal to, we can write dv by dx and dx, this is your dx, sorry for this is a free application, so इतना तो आपको वेयर करना पड़ेगा। Now dx by dt we can write v into dv by dx, sorry, okay? So we can write here equal to v dv by dx. This is a very simple thing, keep in this box. To later I will just mark it here, this equation, okay? So what will they, now we will integrate all the questions, we will add all the questions. So initially I have question first, second, third, second, fourth. So what we will get, if we will dv by dx, so we can that this is what d2 by dt square, this is equal to f, if we will use question first. So if we article from start origin, so what we can conclude here, if the particle start from origin with velocity say u, then what we will v equal to u, and when x equal to 0, वो चला ही नहीं है, so u square equal to e. Now equation becomes what, v square minus u square equal to 2 into s. What we'll get is this equation 5. So now if we will write equation 3, 4, 5, we will recognize the standard equation, okay, of elementary dynamics, okay? That is question. So this is the total thing which I have told you, okay? Now अब start करते हैं question. What I have this question. In question we have this, if a point moves such that if point, and this is your point, and this a point moves constant acceleration and greater or less, okay? So this question, the space average of the velocity over the distance is this. So this is your space here in this is space average velocity, okay? One distance is this, where u and the other initial and final velocities is this greater than the time average. So here we have we have to prove what it is your time average and what is your distance average, that space average. So this is a question in BHU, originally asked in 1969 in BHU, 1949 BHU. But for UPSC, because it is one of the fundamental questions, so UPSC can ask such question, and even they have asked in other examination.